everyone. Greetings from UEI Global New Delhi. My name is Anuj Tyagi and I am the head of the hospitality and placements here. Today I am going to discuss about service of a white wine. Needless to say that wine is the most exotic and luxurious alcoholic beverage amongst all. Therefore, the service of the same has to be done with a lot of care and following certain steps which are globally accepted in practice. This is what I'm going to show in this video today. Now, to begin with, the first step in serving of a white wine is to present the wine to the guest. This is a very important step and has to be done in a certain manner, and let's see how I'm going to do this. First, we're going to place the serviette on our left hand palm in this way, and then we'll bring the white wine and place it on it like that. The same has to be brought closer to the guest from their right hand side, right foot forward, and we present it to the guest in this way. Label must be facing the guest. We need to explain the guest about all the information which is mentioned on the label of the wine. Now let's start from here. This is the name of the grape which is used in making of this wine, and the name of the grape is Albarino. Then this is the name of the company which is producing this wine, and name of the company is Santiago Roma. And here it is Rias Baixas, which is the name of the region where this wine is produced. And below this it is Denominación de Origen, which is also called as or abbreviated as DO, which is the name of the wine governing body or wine governing authority which is actually approved and certified the quality of this wine. And then below that the alcoholic percentage is mentioned. So all these informations are very important, and guests will have a look at it and will confirm that the same wine can be served to him or her. So once the wine is approved by the host, we need to bring a wine chiller and place it close to the guest. Why do we need a wine chiller? Because white wine is served at a cold temperature, somewhere around 8 to 12 degrees Celsius. And that is why after serving the wine, we need to place it back to the wine chiller so that it remains cold throughout the service of a wine. We have to unwrap the rim of the bottle, and for that, first we need to open the blade of the wine opener, pick up the bottle and place this blade of the wine opener on the edge of the rim and twist it clockwise, and with this we can remove the wrapper and place it on the bottle. So why we need to remove the wrapper from the rim of the bottle? Because the metal wrapper might interfere with the flavor and aroma of a wine while pouring it in the glass. That is why we need to make sure that we remove the wrapper from the rim of the bottle. The next step is to remove the cork from the wine, and for that we need to place this tip of the spiral in the center of the cork. This is how, and press it hard, and then start twisting it clockwise, okay, till the last loop of the spiral. And then we need to close it and place the top notch of the lever on the edge of the rim, and then start pulling it vertically, okay. And then second go, we need to place the lower notch of the lever on the edge of the rim of the bottle, and then pull it further, and with this we are able to remove the cork from the bottle. So after removing the cork, we need to place the wine in the wine chiller and then remove the cork from the wine opener. Place it upside down in front of the guest in a saucer. Why do we do that? So that the guest can feel the aroma and the flavor of the wine by smelling the cork. After the guest has smelled the cork, we need to take it from the table and place it on the side station. Then we have to wipe the face of the wine bottle so that to remove any undesired particle from the neck of the bottle and make a collar of the wine bottle. This is how we make. The serviette has to be wrapped on the wine bottle in this fashion. Okay, we need to place our thumb inside the bottom of the wine bottle, which is called as punt. Okay, now this is how we hold the wine bottle. The face of the wine bottle should be free from any covering. Okay, and must be facing the guest. And then we have to pour a little amount of wine in the glass for the guest to taste it and approve it. Now, this is a very important exercise in wine serving. We have to understand it. The guest will pick up the wine glass and will swirl it, see it, and then sniff it and sip it. And finally, he will approve the wine to serve. Once he does so, we need to serve all the other guests on the table, prioritizing the ladies on the table, and finally to the host. The glass must be half filled, and then the wine bottle is placed back in the wine chiller, and the serviette has to be placed like that. So this is the entire process of serving a white wine. So in today's session, we have learned the step-by-step process of serving a white wine. All these sequential steps are very important and globally practiced. I hope this session has been very informative and fruitful for all of you.